Alright, we got her apart. Got the engine off of it, got the front off of it. Front sitting right there. Like I said, real simple, real easy. See the two bolts, one there, over there. Radiator hose, like I said, a wire, and that's the air inlet for the turbo. One thing I did leave out, they got one bolt there, one right there for the power steering. Then we go back in here. Yeah, we're gonna clean all that up. All that's gonna get pressure washed and cleaned all up before we ever put it back together. Here's the engine. All one piece. I'm gonna pressure wash it and clean it all up before I start tearing it down, but I'm gonna break it all the way down. And it's kind of hard to see because of the sunlight. Sorry I didn't get no videos of actually pulling it off with the forklift, but I'll get you some more. Peace, y'all.